Welcome and namaste to this meditation to breathe away anxious thoughts. Make sure you're in a comfortable position and you will not be disturbed to the duration of this session. Bring your focus to your breath and really pay attention to how your lungs expand and contract when you inhale and exhale. Let your breath flow however it wants to right now. Notice your jaw, and if you feel any tension here, just notice it. Don't try to change anything. Now breathe into the sensations in your jaw, and as you exhale, allow it to release a little. Inhale again. Imagine that you're breathing in new life. And when you exhale, let all fear completely fade. Take another breath in. And when you exhale, feel yourself let go of any worries. Notice how relaxed you're becoming right now. Let another breath come in naturally, imagining a bright future. And as you let it go, notice how any anxiety eases and fades. A gentle wave of relaxation sweeps over you as you breathe in and out. Allow your breath to flow naturally and let yourself feel calm and peaceful. You deserve this wonderful feeling of serenity. You are opening up to receiving new thoughts, and with each breath, you are opening up even more. Notice how new ideas are beginning to present themselves to you. They are bringing up feelings of abundance, connection, and love. See yourself full of energy and optimism. Even if this is not true of your present self, just imagine it. Imagine it vividly and with as much detail as you can. You can imagine it as if you're watching a movie of yourself. See the colors brightly, hear the sound, and most importantly, feel these positive feelings with every cell of your body. Stay with your breath and allow your intentions to remain positive. Even if you don't feel positive in this moment, you can imagine what being joyful is like. Breathe into this joy that you are creating and notice how you're consciously shifting any depressed or anxious thoughts into peaceful feelings instead. Breathe deeply and let each exhale completely relax you. Any thoughts that previously held you back become smaller and smaller. Watch negative thoughts diminish little by little, as if you're riding away in a car, and these negative thoughts are sitting along the roadside, shrinking into the distance as you ride away with ease. As you see them go, you are freed from their grip. If you have any more negative thoughts rise, drop them off on the side of the road and ride away, watching them grow smaller until they're consumed by the horizon. Your new thoughts find a new home within your inner being. Allow yourself a few moments to simply be. As we're coming to the end of this meditation, notice and feel the difference between how you felt before you began this meditation and how you're feeling now. Now gently bring your hands in front of your heart. Bow your head. Bow before yourself, the beautiful person that you are. In your own time, whenever you're ready, slowly open your eyes and come back into the here and now. Take as much time as you'd like to just be in the feeling of abundance for several moments. Thank you so much for meditating with me. I am sending you love and light. Namaste, yours, Hannah.